these things. Nakita ko very loud yung chatter sa mga PMA chat groups at itong mga retired Pro Duterte generals are trying to influence yung mga lurkers, ano? So hindi natin malaman, hindi natin masasabi kung may isang active colonel dyan o general na tipong o nga no, tama itong ano, then they may do something tapos pag nandoon na, mag-snowball na. And that's exactly what happened nung panahon ni President Estrada. Noong una, wala namang mga kumakagat kasi natatakot sila. Very confident yung mga generals noon. Then suddenly, ano lang, may isang incident lang, nag-snowball, tapos na, withdrawal of support. It could end that way as well. Kaya nga, kailangan itong mga ano to, manufactured issues nila like the BICAM blank issue ko ano man yan, that should be nipped in the bud. Kaya I'm doing
So in
everything
short, Senator,
to
you're
try.
saying the risk here is either Sara becomes the next president or something even worse, which is a kind of a junta or military takes over if people do not judiciously approach the fiscalization of the current administration's budget.
Yes, and ito yan, Richard. Ang naririnig namin, ang entry point nila, okay, sige, is either impeach President Marcos or oust him, then Sara assumes. Or pag nakita nilang mas palatable, hindi, para silang corrupt, para silang tanggalin, magtayo ng Transition Council or RevGov, and guess who ang ilalagay nila? Eventually, si Digong. Kasi mas komportable sila na si Digong ang presidente. In
Right.
fact, hindi sila komportable kay Sara kasi unpredictable. Baka pati sila ano niyan, ilagay sa ano, sa firing line ano. Kaya ganon. Ang eto bang sina Justice Carpio, iluluklok ba yan sila diyan, sila Father Robert? No. Gagamitin lang sila to gain that yung traction, makakuha sila, ma-expand nila yung base for that message na parehas silang corrupt, tanggalin na parehas. Mag-install tayo ng council, then pag nandoon na, okay, sorry kayo, tabi kayo lahat dyan, kasi ang may mga hawak ng baril, yung mga bata ni Duterte. Then, yun na. That's going to
But
be.
just to be clear, Senator, baka sasabihin naman toxic masculinity tayo. We're saying these things in light of some of the meltdowns that happen. But personally, wala rin ako tiwala kay Digong. I think he's even more unstable, you know? Like just in case. He's like, so, Senator, are you saying that you're worried there could be a trillion, a Sonny Trillanes in the wings who might pull off something that you were pulling off back in the